Hey guys, it's Jolene here from the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. Hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse home decor. I make a lot of what I do in this messy studio, if you can see it today. And then I also do print on demand. So in today's video, we desperately need to talk about Etsy and the things that are happening with print on demand and mockups. So on this channel, you have heard me talk about mockups. You've even seen me have tutorials about how to use these mockups. And then unbeknownst to me, Etsy has decided to shut down, systematically shut down a whole bunch of stores that have used print on demand, plus mockups that did not come from the print on demand provider. And they've totally, completely shut them down. They've also removed listings on other stores. So the shutdown, once you're shut down on Etsy, I mean, that's it, right? You can try to get them to reinstate your store, but they don't reply. They're not obligated to do it. And they just quote their policies over and over again, right? So even if you can get somebody on chat support, basically they just give you like a print screen that says, don't use things that don't accurately represent your products. And that's their argument, that some of these mock-ups don't accurately represent the products that they're selling. So my interpretation of that is that they just want you to use the print on demand product mock-ups, which is what I've been seeing, like screenshot from people that have talked to Etsy over and over and over again in the last couple of days. So number one, I'd like to apologize because I did not know that you were not supposed to use mock-ups that you have purchased someplace else for your Etsy store. I don't want you to throw them all in the trash, but I don't think that using them on Etsy right now is a good idea. And if you do have them, I want to explain to you a fix that can get you out of this mess, hopefully very quickly. So what's the fix? As you know on this channel, I don't spend a lot of time with the fluff. I just tell you what I know, when I know it, and if I've made an error, I'm going to apologize for it. So the fix is, if you don't have a Shopify store yet, get one. Like right now, just get one. I will put a link in the video description for you. I'm an affiliate for Shopify. If you scan the QR code, you will be taken right to their page. They have 3 months for $1 on select plans, which you can get started with on Shopify. So you're going to need a Shopify plan. You're going to need a domain name. So if you don't have a domain yet, you're going to have to buy that one. I can get them for sometimes 99 cents on GoDaddy. So whatever your company name is, go and look and see if your domain is available. If you need to adjust your domain a little bit, so you get one that is available by adding, USA or Canada or something at the end of your business name, go and do that. I always recommend buying the .com. .com is recognized throughout the world as a leader on the web, and you will get ranked higher when you have .com as opposed to having like .co or .shop or something like that. So buy the .com if you can, and then purchase all the other ones if they're available. So once you have your Shopify store, what do you do? Okay, so step 2. Once you have your Shopify store, and I'll maybe just pull up my store right now if I can do that. Log into Shopify. You're going to come to the app section of the store, and you're going to look for an Etsy sync. So a bunch of options are going to come up here. I use Shuttle, which is this one right here. Shuttle syncs with Etsy. It's effortlessly sync of products, inventories, orders, and reviews. So you can see that this one is installed. In the past, I used Etsy integration and sync, and I found it was more expensive than Shuttle and a little bit more convoluted than Shuttle. So that's the one that I use right now. There's all kinds of them. I'm not affiliated with any of these apps. I can share my Shopify link because I am an affiliate for Shopify, but I'm not affiliated with these individual apps. So once you have your Shopify store, go to the App Store, pick your Etsy integration and sync app or Etsy Shuttle app, whichever. It's an Etsy integration. So what you need to do is you need to pull all of your listings from Etsy over into your Shopify store, and it can literally take minutes to do that. And the reason I'm telling you to do that is because I do not want a single person to lose all of their life's work on Etsy. So if you can get those listings pulled over to Shopify, at least you've got them backed up. You'll have your images, you'll have your descriptions, you'll have your tags, all of that kind of information. If you decide to use Shopify, I'm going to show you how to market yourself in a second here. But my main goal here is to tell you, please, please, please don't lose every single listing that you have with this simple fix, right? You just pull those listings right over from Etsy. Now, you can go back to Etsy and start fixing all your images. You can start changing them out for different images. So put them back to the Printify Mockups or whatever mockup, like whatever print on demand provider you guys are using. Just use their stock images for now and let Etsy figure out their stuff. They may come out with something at some point that says, oh, this is okay, but that's not okay. They may come out and have some better directives and some actual step-by-step instructions for what is allowed and what is not allowed. But right now, it's just like all this chatter about all these people getting shut down, and it's come out of the blue. And then all of a sudden they're like, oh my gosh, like, where's my stuff? I have nothing, absolutely nothing left, right? So please, please, please bring your listings over to Shopify and then go back to Etsy if you want to still use that platform. I love Etsy. I have nothing against Etsy. They set up the rules. We just need to follow the rules and go back and change your listings. And then if you decide that you want to start using Shopify, maybe you've been thinking about it for a while and you want to just start pushing your own listings out, I recommend doing both, right? Like doing Etsy and doing Shopify if you possibly can, so you can get your Shopify traffic growing. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I use to start pushing my products out. Okay, you guys. So most of you have heard about Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And it takes forever to post on Pinterest, to post on Etsy, to post on Pinterest, to post on Instagram, to post on Facebook all at the same time. And I am telling you that you can do this really easily with a tool called Tailwind. Tailwind has a free plan. You can start this for absolutely free while you're learning. And you can keep the free plan forever. If you decide to go with a purchase plan, you can do that too. I am going to put a link in the video description for you. I am an affiliate for Tailwind. I have many videos on this channel about how to use Tailwind. Please go look them up. But let's just do a quick overview here for you guys right now. So the pricing for Tailwind, they have a free forever plan, which includes 10 Ghostwriter credits. And a Ghostwriter credit, one credit will allow you to write an entire blog, to write a pin description, to write a product description for Etsy or Shopify. And then they give you multiple options, often of those, so you can copy and paste and save your descriptions for other things. So the free forever plan has 10 Ghostwriter credits, 20 posts a month across Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. So if you're posting something every second day for your business, you can do this on a schedule with Tailwind for absolutely free, totally free. Okay, so then you also get 5 Tailwind communities, a smart bio custom link, and unlimited email contacts and 20 email sends a month. So Tailwind is got a new email program out that allows you to start sending emails as well. So the other thing that you can do is buy an actual plan, and there's no obligation to this whatsoever. I've worked with Tailwind for a while. I worked with Tailwind, their actual product, long before I became an affiliate for them. And now that I'm an affiliate for them, I actually work with their teams on some other stuff behind the scene. And I'm telling you, they are awesome. They have a good support team. They take advice when it's given from people. And they have a really great product that they are constantly trying to improve to make things better for small businesses. And believe me when I say I'm not messing around, 1 million businesses, big and small, are using Tailwind. So 1 million businesses cannot be wrong, right? Like you don't know me that well. I mean, you just got here. Maybe some of you have been here for a while, but hi, I'm Jolene, right? You don't know me that well. But 1 million businesses, big and small, are trusting Tailwind to help grow their brand. So they're not playing. All right, so the Pro plan is $9.99 a month. You get 50 Ghostwriter credits, 200 posts against Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You get 200 post designs, 5 Tailwind communities, advanced analytics, 1 user, and unlimited email contacts. Now, the advanced plan It has all of that, but 250 Ghostwriter credits, 1,000 posts. And this is the one that I actually use. It has a smart custom link bio and it has 2 users. So you could actually have a VA working in your Tailwind account for you and doing this for you. And then the max plan has 500 Ghostwriter credits a month. You can have 3 accounts for Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you've got multiple businesses, this is a great tool, right? So the advanced plan, this one here, sorry, I should have mentioned, has 2 accounts that you can have for Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. So that is their plan. Then how does it work, right? So I'm going to come to my dashboard. So I already own this. I own my dashboard, and I am going to create. So what you need to do once you've clicked on create is you need to get a URL from somewhere, and I could just open up my actual website. We'll just click one open here. So these are products, right? The shower curtain is actually something that I do with print on demand. And now I can just grab the product, any product that I want off this page, or you can grab the entire page. I'm going to click on an individual product. Then up here at the top is the URL for that product. I'm going to copy this URL. And now I'm going to bring it into Tailwind and just hit paste. And instantly the pictures for this product are going to come up. And then what I'm going to do, you'll be able to see it here in a second. Here comes the pictures. I'm going to select this picture is what I'm going to use. And I can start creating pins for Pinterest and feed post stories, etc. for this pin. You can decide if you want to use one photo, if you want to use multiple photos, and then you would have to select which multiple photos did you want to select here. So now you can see that I have the shower curtain and then the available colors, and then you can scroll through here and pick all the designs that you want. You can do 5 selected designs here. And the other part that you need to know is right here in the middle, you need to change the text, make sure everything's readable. Whatever you type in here is going to appear over here. You can change your color palette and you can put your own branding on it. So for instance, I have my logo. And just go ahead and design your posts here for Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook at the same time. Now, once you've selected, I'm not going to finish designing this. You guys can figure out how to design this. If you've gotten this far, you should know how to design something, or you're smart enough to play along with it, or you're smart enough to go and look at the video that I have, like the exact step-by-step tutorial for this exact process. So you're going to review your designs after you've selected them, and then you're going to schedule the designs. So go schedule the design, choose an account for your schedule. That's where you can choose where you're going to post it to, Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook. And then this is where you're going to add a pin title, pin description. You can use their Ghostwriter tool, which will cost you 1 credit for each pin description that you do here. And then you're going to schedule it onto your boards. If you haven't started a Pinterest account yet, I recommend that you do that as well. You'll need to start a business Pinterest account. I recommend having 10 boards with at least 50 pins in each board. Make sure that you name each board. Make sure that the names for your boards have the same tags. So keyword stuff your I'm stuck here. Keyword stuff the title for your Pinterest board as well. So if it's instead of just saying t-shirt, it's scary Halloween t-shirts. And essentially that's how you use Tailwind for this. So I highly recommend, if you are doing Etsy and you're doing print on demand, to do these steps today to ensure that you are not losing all of your hard work. And like I said, I will put a link in the video description for both Shopify and Tailwind. I wish you the best of luck. I'm going to make a few videos here today on some problem solving solutions for this actual problem. I mean, if you guys find these videos of value, please, please, please hit subscribe, tell a friend about the videos, leave a nice comment, even just tell me where you're from. You know, hi from British Columbia, hi from Texas, wherever you guys are from. Have a great day, you guys, and we'll talk to you in the next video.